So what are the non-violable laws of nature? The familiar one to probably all of you here is gravitation, which is law of nature in science. The solution of value is a non-violable law of nature in social science. Nature is a dictator. As a scientist, I have never seen any time that a law of nature can be violated. If it's violated, then it's not a law of nature in science. Okay, and also, the laws are absolute. These laws are non-violable regardless of whether they are understood or not. If you don't know gravitation, the gravity still applies. Okay, similarly, for laws of nature, social science, they apply regardless of whether you know it or not. Okay, we are making a claim here not to really say it is what people know today. In the age of knowledge, non-violable laws of nature will replace all man-made laws. So here you see that on the screen there's a word in front. It is the responsibility of every rational human being and all the governments to observe the non-violable laws of nature in social science. The solution of value is a non-violable law of nature. Well, we can also add it's the responsibility of the government to discover these laws of nature. Therefore, we have government funding research for this purpose, like these things. The problem value is posed by Kenneth Arrow, Gerald de Brugh, and John von Neumann in the book Theory of Value. Okay, Kenneth Arrow received his Nobel Prize in 1972, Gerald de Brugh in 1983. And the solution to value is defined. It's defined as the value is the sum total of all the benefits and losses extending to infinity in time. It is based on the infinite spreadsheet, as the name implies, extend to infinity. For mathematicians, we can see that unless we go to infinity, we do not have a deterministic system. In other words, we cannot calculate a price. A price will not drop out. The solution of value establishes equilibrium among the price and all the factors affecting the price in a space extending to infinity. The infinite spreadsheet provides for disclosure of all the inputs, all the equations, and the methodology. The full disclosure will allow for accountability. So anybody who use the infinite spreadsheet, he has to put in the input. Then he has to wait if the input eventually will calculate output which fits his predictions. So this is putting everything together. There are laws in the US today. They are trying to get the full accountability, full disclosure, but they cannot do that because they do not yet apply the infinite spreadsheet. cause financial crisis. The U.S. savings and loan crisis was caused by the rapid decrease of the growth rate, which caused the price to drop. The subprime fall was caused by the rapid rise in interest rate, which caused the price to drop. Both crises were caused by the incorrect price, determined by the market comparison method, which kept the price unchanged when the economic condition had changed. How to solve the financial crisis? The correct solution to financial crisis is the correct solution of price. The Poisson solution value is a mathematically rigorous relationship between the price and the rate of return. Being mathematically rigorous, the solution value is a non-violable laws of nature in social science. So you see that the claim of non-violable laws of nature is based on mathematical rigor. Today, the economic problem of the world is distribution, not productivity. For example, the financial crisis was caused by the overproduction of real estate. We produce too many and we don't know the price. Distribution must be guided by the correct solution of price. There is sufficient supply of the necessities of life for all human beings on earth today. If there is a correct solution to distribution, the solution distribution is the solution of value, because price is what determines how to distribute. Suffering and pain are the result of not knowing non-violable laws of nature in social science. For example, the financial crisis is the result of not observing non-violable laws of